Welcome into the era of AI. Hello and welcome in this video in which I'm going to explain to you how you can use the Imagen app inside of Canva. Now this app is pretty much similar to DALL-E 3 similar to DALL-E integration with Canva, except for this one is much better than the DALL-E Canva integration. So here are a couple of images that I generated using Imagen, and you can see that these images are pretty good and they are quite realistic to say the least. I really love what I'm looking at. And so without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So here we are inside of Canva. I'm going to go to apps, and basically here I'd like you to search for Imagen and then click the Imagen app, right? And basically type in your prompt. So let's say that you want to type in something. Now let's imagine a Siberian tiger looking ferocious on top of an ice mountain, and you want to go ahead and generate. Now, by the way, you also have 25 credits. Like I said, it's pretty much similar to DALL-E integration with Canva, except for this one is much better quality, and yeah, it's really good. I love it. So let's wait for the image, and these are the images that we got. And again, like I said, this is really, really realistic. It's incredible. I love this. And it's really pretty much reminding me so much of the quality of DALL-E 3 and also of Leonardo and Midjourney. These are really the images. They're really awesome. Now let's try something different. Let's try a muscular man with a tiger's or with a lion's face, or a lion's head, lion's face. Okay, with 6 packs or something like that. So let's just add that in there. I'm not sure if they're going to allow me to generate if it's not something against their policies, because maybe they're going to think I'm saying a muscular man with a lion's face in his hands. Probably, hopefully they don't think that. Yeah, they actually didn't think that, so that's pretty interesting. So here we go. We have this beautiful image. This surely does look like something you'd want, except for not highly realistic. The other one didn't really come out as great as I thought it would be, but it's really awesome as well. But we can make this better by generating again. So it's asking us change the prompt. So instead of saying 6-pack, we're just going to say a muscular man with a lion's face. And I could have said something like realistic picture of a muscular man with a lion's face. And by the way, these were actually the thing. They were viral. They were viral back when, still people are using them, especially to promote products such as supplements and products, gym products. Now, in this case, they actually asked me to generate or use something different prompt. So I'll just be trying another prompt, a dense Okay, so we're gonna actually move from the example of these abstract prompts. Let's try something like a small, cute dog wearing a dog shirt and shoes and little shoes, walking on the concrete floor, and generate. So let's say that you're doing drop shipping and or e-commerce, and you want to create an ad showcasing a dog wearing these types of clothes. You can generate these types of images now. We have 2 beautiful images. All right, one was added. Let me just go to a new page. So you can see that we have this little, I think it's a Chihuahua or something. I don't know what type of dog this is, but this is certainly a beautiful image. And then what do we have more? We have this other image as well. So say that you want to use these for an ad. You could absolutely do so. You just have to add a text on top or something, or not even some text. You can just stay content with these. And you can see that this is really the stuff. It's really legit. This tool is awesome. So I hope that you can go ahead and use it to its fullest potential. It's really realistic. It's good. I love it. So wishing you the best as always. Passive Income Gen Z signing out.